Active and creative.
Please subscribe.
Hello little buddies, welcome back to Active and Creative. Okay, this week we will try to draw grapes. Yes, it's grapes. Still the same like in the A class, but for the B class we will draw more detailed grapes. Oke, jadi little buddies, buat yang di kelas B ini kita buatnya sama ya. Ini buah anggur, tapi anggurnya yang ini bakal lebih detail nantinya. Oke, langsung aja kita mulai. Let's get started. Oke, kita mulai dengan bikin lingkaran dulu. We start with a circle in the middle. Okay, like this. Okay, already done. Okay, now let's make another circle. Just very close to it. Okay. Right. Then another circle here. Okay. Then make another circle. Right. Then another one. Okay. Then maybe I put some here. Right. Then let's draw another circle. Bikin lingkaran lagi ya. Semua jaraknya deket-deket ya ini ya. Make a very close circles. Right. Between the circle. So must be very close. Okay. And now in between the circles you can make like a half circle. Jadi di antaranya ini sekarang buat tutup kita bikin setengah lingkaran ya ini. Nah, dipenuhin pakai setengah lingkaran. A quarter or half. Jadi boleh separuh, boleh gini. Nah, ditutup gini. Ini ikut juga dalamnya. So it will look like a globe. Jadi kelihatan seperti ini ya, segerombol gitu. Alright. If you're done with that, now follow me, make a curve here. Okay, and then another curve and close it. Ya, bikin lengkung seperti ini ya buat langkahnya. If you done with this, now make the leaf like this one. Okay, stop. And then a bit zigzag like this, going up and like this, and then make another zigzag. Okay, now put the lines inside. Okay, that you need to put like this here also, and we're done. Oke, jadi langsung kalau udah dikasih seperti ini ya, twing twing seperti ini. Oke, now I want to thickening the borders, the outer line like usual. Alright, then let's color it. So what's the grape's color? Yes, it's purple. So I want to use this purple as a base color. Oke, jadi kita pakai warna ini ya, ungu yang ini untuk base-nya. Kemudian oke. ini the light purple. Okay, and we need the darker one. I use this one, is a bit grayish purple, this one. And don't forget your white color as usual. Oke, jadi kita pakai warna ini ya, little buddies. Warnanya yang ini abu-abu gelap, agak ada ungunya sedikit. Kemudian ini ungu, terus ungu yang muda, sama jangan lupa putihnya seperti biasa. Oke. And how about the leaves? Like usual, little buddies, we need green and the darker green and the light green. So we have 3 colors of green, 3 shades of green. Oke, kita pakai warna ini nanti. And okay, let's start with the fruit itself. We are using the darkest color. Remember, the light is coming from this direction, from the top left. So the dark color will be on the bottom and on the right side. The light is from here, okay? Right, like this. And don't forget to flying for blending. Do it the same for another fruit. Right, this one also is the same. Semua sama ya seperti ini. Jadi yang bagian gelap itu bagian bawah sama sisi kanan. Bawah sama sisi kanan. This one, the bottom part only. Right, this one too. Alright, looks great. Now we change with the purple color here. Okay, kemudian kita ganti ya pakai warna purple yang ini, ungu yang ini. Okay, we are blending it. Make a circular movement, going down and going up, and flying again. Okay, just blending. And flying. Again, just blending it. And flying. This one too. Make a circular movement for blending, like usual. Right, and blend this one too. Don't forget to flying too. Jangan lupa tipis-tipisnya ya, flying buat blending nanti sama warna yang lebih muda. Okay, keep doing it. Be patient, okay, little buddy. You have to be patient. Yang sabar ya, little buddies. Memang gini, pelan-pelan. Oke. Right. And then blend it all. Alright. Now we switch into the lighter purple. Here, okay. Okay, let's do from this one. Keep blending it with the purple. But leave a white space for the white later, okay? That's for highlight. Okay, make circular movement for blending. Alright. Now the last one is using white. Don't forget, always clean your white before you use it. I will clean it on the other paper. Alright, so I have another paper. Just clean all sides. Jadi jangan lupa ya little buddies, selalu dibersihin dulu ya kalau mau pakai yang putih, karena putih ini gampang kotor. Because this white is very easy to get dirty, so we have to clean it. Alright, let's continue again with this white. So we just color the white part, the highlight. Right, we're done with the purples. Now we are switching to the greens. It's the same, so the light will be from this side. Jadi cahayanya dari sebelah sini ya. Jadi yang gelap, the darker part is on the bottom, and the right side. You can add little dark green on the lines here. Right, and go together with this one. The bottom part using dark green. Okay, now we are switching to this medium green. Let's blending it with a circular movement. Right, then a bit on the sides. Let's blending it. Right, and this one too. Right, leave a bit white part for the light green. Now we are switching to light green. Kita ganti pakai hijau yang muda ya. Okay, let's blending all the way. Let's blending it. Just make a circular movement like usual. Right, then this one too. Ini juga ya. Let's blending it. Alright, so we have the grapes here. Okay, We're done. Alright, little buddies, thank you for watching. Don't forget to keep practicing and help me to subscribe for more videos. You can follow our Instagram too at activeandcreative.id. And for parents and teachers, you can upload your kids' artwork on your Instagram or Insta story and tag us also. See you on another video and keep active and creative!